Senate postpones Duterte impeachment trial, raising accountability questions. The Senate's decision to put off the formal opening of Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial has drawn fresh concern from lawmakers, legal experts, and citizens alike. Originally set to begin this week, the trial was delayed so senators could finish work on bills that have piled up in the chamber. While managing legislative priorities is important, critics warn that every week of postponement chips away at the public's trust in the process and risks losing vital testimony. In the weeks leading up to this point, the House of Representatives approved the Articles of Impeachment, accusing the Vice President of wrongdoing related to her time as Davao City mayor. Under the Constitution, the Senate must act as an impeachment court, but Senate President Chiz Escudero argued that pressing legislative deadlines, ranging from budget measures to key policy reforms, must take priority. His decision to delay the trial was supported by several senators who say a rush trial could neglect other urgent national needs. Yet the delay has drawn fire from figures such as former Senator Leila de Lima, now an incoming representative, who called it a setback for truth and accountability. She warned that witnesses may change their stories, and evidence could grow stale, making it harder to uncover a full and fair account of events. House Prosecutor Joel Chua echoed this worry, noting that as time slips by, the risk of tampered documents and fading memories only grows. Adding to the complexity, the House has set up a special impeachment secretariat to help manage evidence and logistics. Supporters argue it will streamline the process when the trial finally starts. Detractors see it as a way to stretch out proceedings and give the vice president more time to regroup politically. Some analysts point out that each delay effectively benefits Sara Duterte, allowing her to keep a low profile and avoid sustained scrutiny. Looking ahead, senators must decide whether to carve out dedicated days for the trial, or wait until after they finish all pending bills. If postponed until July or later, the trial could drag into the final months of Duterte's term, raising questions about whether the process can conclude in time to matter. Until then, the tug-of-war between legislative workload and constitutional duty will continue, and the public will be watching closely to see whether justice or politics wins out. Stay curious, stay connected. Subscribe now for fresh news update.